This is a great example of how you can practice. So this is just a little paper that you can get off any store. So it's a little bit like cardstock, so it's a little bit thicker. You can practice here the outline in order to understand, do you stay in the skin or do you lift? So if you can hear that you are consistently on the paper, then you know that you're going to be like this in the skin as well. Because if you do this, where you can hear it and you're not being consistent in the skin, sometimes you may lose your outline. So again, it's important to stay and have a consistent sound. That way you know that your outline will definitely be there.